Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this 3 Farmers roasted fava beans. This is their zesty cheddar. As you can see right there. So apparently, if you look in the ingredients right there, so it's fava beans, dehydrated onions, yeast, citric acid, natural flavor, high oleic acid. It is vegan, so it's not really cheese, I guess. So let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so it's got a slight cheese aroma to it. I'm going to do a quick bite here. That's what it looks like. Okay. The cheese taste is subtle, but it's more like a yeast cheese flavor. So you know what you would find in like those Daya and things like that. So alright, definitely check it out. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.